What?
Steak.
Steak.
What is it? Keep profit, we're gonna put it inside.
Yes.
So we should throw it inside here right now. So we
No,
just
later.
later.
Okay, yeah, we can put
Oh. Anyway, hello guys! We are here in the lake Daunun.
Yep,
And
here.
yeah, and this gonna be our first time camping here in Bali. But the weather is not. The weather didn't support us.
They didn't welcome us.
See that?
Looking at you like.
It's raining hard since the morning. And here, it's really cold, guys. It's really cold. Just imagine like when you're down there, like in the center of Bali, it's hot, and when you goes up here close to the lake and a bit far from the central city, around like 2 hours by bicycle. I motorbike. So yeah, but it's worth it. See that? There's some students as well. They have like camping activities over there and playing guitar maybe if there is like no rain.
And we are not the only foreigners.
Yeah.
Because we saw other foreigners as well, like Westerners. So yeah,
It's gonna be fun.
we're just hoping that the rain stops so we can enjoy the camp tonight and enjoy the view. Look at that. Wow.
We bought some snacks, corn as well, and some food here. It's not too expensive here in Bali. So try in making the tent. Maybe later, like when the rain stops, I will show you guys around. But it's just really amazing. It's like Sabah and Dalat. You can see, very foggy and peaceful. Really, Indonesia is really amazed me.
It's round. Egg or put it inside the noodle.
Boil them.
Boil. Just yeah.
I think I just fainted in the tent last night.
Santai mereka dengan udah
Morning, guys.
Morning. It's pretty cold here.
But beautiful view. Look at that. See? Yeah, from here you have the lake, and then the other side, mountain. Wow.
We can see some waterfall as well yesterday.
Yeah, when it was
Cannot
raining.
see it today. But some people are camping now.
Actually, a lot.
The fishes are
My
And-
friends, it like before just only them.
they're still.
Yeah, and we are. I feel lucky that the rain stopped. Because yesterday it was raining the whole day. We were so wet driving the motorbike from Ubud
Yeah,
Ubud to here, and this one yesterday was like a bit far, right? Around 3 hours we were driving for 3 hours.
3 hours.
We were like freezing because it was really cold. And yeah, this is our tent. And so far the experience is good, and glad that we are able to do this here in Indonesia.
Who have thought that we're gonna camp in Indonesia?
Yeah.
So we're gonna yeah,
Shiki and Nico.
thanks to our friends there, Chiki and Nico. Anyway, we will leave this place around 7, and we will go to Bandara Gate, which is very close to this place.
Yeah, I think around 10 minutes. I know 5.
Yeah, around 5. And after that, we will go straight to Banbahan.
Baraba something.
Baba something. It's like a. For me, it looks like a village, but with the stream and very peaceful. But we will find out. So.
Time for
Yeah.
tea.
Yeah, time for tea, and see you there. Gas.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Dia minum di sini aja.
I haven't tasted it. I hope
Guys,
it's okay.
ini
The
spesial.
Thank you.
Is this a tasty one you said?
yeah.
Apa?
For the hand.
So guys, this is Handara Gate, and they will charge you 50,000 rupiah if you're a foreigner, or local just only 30,000. I think this is too much. Just stand there and take picture. Really, they are taking advantage of this.
Yeah.
I will talk this on the camera, I don't care. But it's really, he charges like 50,000 Vietnam rupiah for one person just,
And it's
to
just
take
taking
picture
a
with.
picture, yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot even like stay there for like maybe 20 minutes. 5 minutes is okay, but or maybe
It's
that is
okay. I don't think it's not worth it. Even I respect Indonesia culture and the gate, but this is just too much for me. Okay,
all right.
let's go. The price.
Okay, makasih.
Makasih.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go.
No, let's take our clothes and then
swimming clothes,
yeah,
right?
the swimming clothes. and then-
So it's very hard to come here, right? Yeah, let's change. It's very hard to come here. And we found this place. It's recommended by our friend Nico and Chike. And this is like a stream. See? You can rent one of this like lifesaver and float up until there, and we will go past a tomb.
Yeah, so Chiki and Nico recommended this to us, and he asked us to pay 30, but they said like we are Nico and Chiki's friends, and yeah, we're gonna pay 10. Good.
That's great. Look at the view.
Hey, we're ready, guys.
It's a very interesting activity that you can do here.
Mm-hmm.
Floating from the top of the right terrace. We have a small stream here,
Yeah.
and I don't know. I never tried this, so it's gonna be fun.
I tried bamboo rafting in Thailand, but yeah, this one is first time. So yeah, plus the view, so cool. All right, see you guys.
Here, you can go in front.
Is it? It's.
I'll stay in the middle.
Is it slippery?
No. Hurry up, our time is moving.
I know!
I'll just float. Ah, it's so cool, guys. Guys, we made it to the port heading to Nusa Penida. It's a long day.
Yeah, so we booked this one in
Through
on Klook, and it is cheaper than you come here and buy it directly.
Yes, yes. So yesterday we actually came here and we're supposed to book the ticket in advance, and we found out that it's too expensive. Then Jay found some on Klook, and yeah, it's way cheaper.
Yeah, but now we're here. A little bit problem. Ryan lost his. I mean, like he forgot his glasses.
Yeah, I left my glasses.
In the warung, one. But it's okay. Hopefully we can get it. We will try our best.
But can't wait to be in Nusa Penida.
Yeah, I mean,
Just chill.
we should enjoy the trip.
Yeah.
Even some bad situation problems happen.
Yeah. And
Do not let it affect your trip.
yeah, and also today is our last day in Bali, because tomorrow we are heading back to Vietnam.
Yeah, to Hanoi.
Yeah,
And yeah. So see you guys in
the island.
the island,
Beautiful
Nusa
island.
Penida. Yeah. So that is the boat that we're gonna hop on later. Where is that? It's like a fast boat, speedboat. Not too small, but not too big enough to put on your bikes, because we were planning to put our bikes on it. Sorry, it is small. It is small. Just only for passengers, no vehicles.
Hey guys, so we just arrived here in Nusa Penida, and yeah, look at that, it's beautiful.
It's hot.
It's hot. It is.
The water is nice, but I saw some plastics.
Yeah, I saw some plastics too.
Trash.
Look at that. Yeah, 25. So there is an entrance fee for 25. 25 rupiah to enter the island. Wow.
2%.
Yeah, with
So everything here in Indonesia is like, well, even you have to pay for the island. It's 17%.
No, we don't young.
Look at his smile.
Please, you can help me just 10,000 more.
You can also help me 10,000 more.
Gas, like so, a
This
vehicle has
this the
more
gas already for the 2 liter, and then you can pay more, just 10,000. 10,000 for the petrol station.
Alright guys, so we are here now. We just arrived at Kalingking Beach. It's one of the famous beaches here in Nusa Penida, and everything here is money. Yeah, you have to pay for the parking, 5,000 rupiah. Entrance fee for the island, 25,000 rupiah per person. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you entry
Yeah.
an island, you have to pay for it.
Yes.
And come to this beach, you have to pay 5,000 for the bike. But that one is okay. I think that is reasonable. I can understandable.
Yeah.
Can be. But yeah, a bit scorching.
It's really hot.
Hopefully we can swim later.
Yeah. And once you arrive at the port, you still need to travel around 47 minutes, right?
Yeah.
47 minutes from that port to Kalingking Beach. So, see ya guys. Morning, guys. So it's our last day here in Bali, and we came to this place which is just 10 minutes away from our hostel. It's not really a special beach, as you see it's not white sand, but yeah, we just wanna swim and relax. So
Okay, let's swimming time.
yeah.
What's
What
up,
is up,
guys?
guys?
So we are here at the airport
Yeah.
and in Bali, and we are ready to go back to Vietnam after a long trip.
Yeah, our flight will depart, the plane will depart at 5, so we are we are really tired, but so far our experience was great.
Yeah, I mean, first time in Indonesia.
Second time, but first time in Bali.
It's not a bad trip. It's amazing with great people, but still we had some bad experiences while traveling. But totally, Indonesia is amazing. You must visit this country.
Yeah.
For waterfalls, beautiful beaches, and
Yes, beautiful people,
yeah, people as well.
and how we wish we have like a month to explore Indonesia.
Yeah.
But yeah, we need to go back to work.
So lots of people recommended to us to go to Bandung, but we skipped that
Bandung.
place. Bandung.
Yeah.
Skip that place actually. So hopefully next time we can be able to stay there like even a week or 2 weeks, so
Yeah.
we can explore everything.
All right, so anyway, guys, we're gonna end our vlog here about Indonesia. So we are Fil-Viet buddies.
Yeah.
Phil stands for Filipino and Viet stands for,
Vietnam.
and my name is Ryan.
And I'm Jamie. So
Yeah.
please, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the button below. So
Yeah, and you can also follow us on our social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. There will be more, and yeah, we're gonna try our best to update you guys and show to you how incredible traveling is. And yeah,
yeah, so we're gonna end the vlog here.
but to our Indonesian viewers, brothers, sisters, friends, terima
Terima
kasih.
kasih. A lot. It means a lot to us,
Yeah,
really.
it's a lot.
It means a lot. Thank you so much. Sama-sama to Vietnam. Sama-sama. We're gonna end our vlog here. So thank you so much again, and hope you have a great day ahead. So
See ya.
see ya.